Hey guys! Today I'm unboxing the JBL Tour One M3 and showing you all the tips and tricks to get the most out of these headphones. Open the box and discover the JBL Tour One M3 headphones. Carrying case, USB-C and audio cables, and the quick start guide. Start by powering up the headphones by sliding the power on button. After powering up, the headphones will automatically activate Bluetooth pairing. Now you can find the headphones on your preferred device and connect via a high-resolution LDAC audio connection. You can use the easy gestures on your headphones to adjust the volume or to control the ambient sound control button.
Ambient aware.
The Tour One M3 is fully packed with cool features.
Ambient aware.
Adjust the level of ambient sounds
Noise canceling.
with a true adaptive noise canceling. Want to have a quick chat?
Talk through.
Activate Talk Through in the app or double press the button. No need to take them off. You can also activate spatial sound on any device with the 360-degree head tracking to take your audio and video experience to the next level. Download the JBL Headphones app and enable the legendary JBL Pro sound with the Personi-Fi 3.0 feature. Follow the steps for the environment noise check and the left and right ear ceiling check to ensure the ultimate personalized audio experience. Battery running low? No stress. Just plug the cable into your headphones and into a power outlet to charge it up. The Tour One M3 has a battery life up to 70 hours playback and up to 40 hours with ANC on. And even cooler, just 5 minutes of charging gets you ready for 5 hours of playtime.